Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this outfit for Sweet as Pie theme in Dress to Impress without VIP. Okay, let's get into it guys. The outfit will look like this and I'm going to show you the items I'm wearing to create this outfit. Okay, first of all guys, you can choose this hairstyles and also this one, and you're going to color it brown. And the next one, I'm going to go to this area and I'm going to select this corset and also the sleeves, and then we're going to color it pink. I'm just going to make the pink color for the first selection. You can make it pink like this. Oops, sorry guys. I'm going to select this corset, and for the first selection, I'm going to make it pink, and for the second selection, I'm going to make it white. Okay, and next selection, I'm going to make it pink, and then make it pink, and for the ribbon, sorry, I'm going to make it white. Okay, like this, and then I'm going to select this granny dress, this one, but I'm just going to choose the skirt only. I'm going to select only skirt, and I'm going to color it with this pink color for the first selection, and for the second selection, I'm going to color it white. Okay, now let's move to the next area. I'm going to wear this top, and then I'm going to make it pink. Just color it pink like this for the first selection and also the second selection. Okay, the next one, I'm going to go to this area and use this item. Okay, and then I'm going to go to the necklace area and wear this item, this one guys. Okay, then I'm just going to make it pink. Alright, and then I'm going to go to the dressing room and we're going to go to the coats item. I'm going to select this crown, this one. And again, I'm going to color it pink for the first selection and also the second selection. And then I'm going to put this eyelashes. I'm going to change the toggle to 2, or let's try 3. I'm gonna go with this toggle 3. Okay, then I'm going to select the boots. Okay, for the first selection, I'm going to color it white, and for the next selection, I'm just going to make it pink, and then pink again. Okay, and then the next one, I'm going to go to the accessories area, which is right here, and I'm going to select this item and this one. Okay, for this one, I'm just going to color it with this pink color. Okay, then you're going to select the flower. For the flower, you can color it white for all the selection. Okay, just make it white like this. And okay, it's almost done. Okay guys, and this is for the final result. Okay, and that's all the way to create this outfit for Sweet as Pie theme in Dress to Impress. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!